up, everybody? It's your boy Intellect Joe back at you again for another video. Today we're just going to be looking at an update on the Civic. We went ahead and already finished the rear conversion on the drums to discs. What I'm doing today is just kind of buttoning up a little bit of the things that need to be done. I have to finish installing the brackets for the e-brake cables and then test it out, make sure that's good to go, and we're really going to be fully done. So hope you guys check this one out. I hope you guys enjoy it. This is the update that we're at now, and yeah, so if you guys like this one, go ahead and comment, subscribe, and leave a like if you could. Let me know down below what you guys think about the mirrors too. You guys are going to see that for the first time right now. So I'll be right back. Anyways, yeah guys, we pretty much are fully finished up with the conversion. Let me know what you guys think. You guys saw the mirrors on it right now. The back's not fully gutted, but it's pretty much gutted. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It wasn't the most in-depth how-to, but you guys kind of got the picture. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.